Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to calculate the future value of any investment in Microsoft Excel. What is future value? The definition is the future value function returns the future value of an investment based on periodic constant payments and a constant interest rate. The formula is where rate is the interest rate, NPR is the total number of payments period in an annuity, and PMT is the payment made each period, and PV is the present value. Here is an example. Consider the rate of 5%, 5-year period and annual payment of 1000. And how can we calculate the future value? Payment made each period is 1000 for annually payment of 1000, and interest rate is 5%. Consider the rate of 5%, and number of years, NPR is the 5-year periods, 5. Now we can calculate the future value by FV formula. Type is equal to FV and press tab key. It will ask you rate. What is the rate? 5%. Just select the cell, comma. What is the NPR? यानी कि number of years, these, comma. What is the installment payment? Payment made each period is 1000. Comma. Present value is not given. Just type 0. And end of the period, press type 0, 1 for beginning of the period. I just type the 0 for end of the period and close the bracket and press enter. Now it will display the result in negative form. Just double click here and in payment PMT just type minus sign, and now it will return the result in positive value. Here is the future value of any investment or insurance. You can calculate the future value by using this formula. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.